Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Google Drive app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store application. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Now click on search at the bottom right and search for Google Drive. Now once you search for Google Drives, locate and click on Google Drive. Then click on the Get button. And if you already have Google Drive installed on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on Update. Now you may be prompted to press the side button twice or type in your iCloud account. Then go ahead and type in your iCloud account. Once you type in your iCloud account, click on Sign in at top right. And then hang on. If your iCloud account is correct, then this will be able to download and install the Google Drive app on your iPhone, or we'll be able to update the Google Drive app on your iPhone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.